Welcome to our channel. It's important to clarify that Stripe is a payment processing platform and doesn't offer streaming services. However, if you're experiencing quality issues with a streaming service that uses Stripe for payments, or if you're a business owner using Stripe for your streaming platform, here are some general tips to improve streaming quality. Step 1. Ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. Run a speed test to verify your download and upload speeds meet the requirements for your streaming quality. Step 2. Close unnecessary applications and browser tabs that might be consuming bandwidth and affecting your streaming performance. Step 3. If you're streaming video content, adjust the quality settings within the streaming platform. Most platforms allow you to manually select video quality such as 720p, 1080p, or 4K. Step 4. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi for more stable and faster internet speeds, especially when streaming high-definition content. Step 5. Restart your modem and router to clear any network congestion or temporary issues. Step 6. Update your streaming app or browser to the latest version to ensure you have the most recent performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 7. If you're a content creator using Stripe for your streaming business, optimize your video files by using efficient codecs like H.264 or H.265 to reduce file size without sacrificing quality. Step 8. Consider using a content delivery network, CDN, to improve streaming performance for your audience by serving content from servers closer to them. Step 9. Monitor your streaming platform's analytics to identify and address any technical issues affecting quality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.